Track 85. A.
Italian Club.
B.
Film Club.
C.
Cookery Club.
D.
Coding Club.
E.
Drama Club.
F.
Board Games Club.
G.
Horse Riding Club.
H.
Athletics Club.
I.
Yoga Club.
J.
Judo Club.
Track 86.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Freya. What are you doing?
I'm looking at some photos of me in my after-school clubs. They're funny.
Can I see them?
Sure. Here's Thursday's club.
Are you making a pizza?
No, I'm not making a pizza. I'm making a cake for my mum.
Cake. I like cake.
And here's a photo at Tuesday's club. It's new and I love it. It's the Board Games Club and we're learning new games. It's really good.
Cool.
Here's another photo. We're practicing in the park. We aren't running a race. You can see I'm not running very fast. That's the Wednesday Athletics Club.
I like athletics too, and I'm good at it.
Well, I'm learning. Right, here's another picture. This is Friday's yoga club. I'm good at that, and it's very relaxing. It's a nice end to the week. And here's one more picture. This is my favourite club. It's on Monday. I don't like playing games on the computer very much, but I love writing them. The coding club is really good.
I've got some photos here on my phone. Here, have a look.
Sorry, Mike. Got to go.
Oh, okay. See you.
Bye.
Track 87. Example.
Carla's sitting on a chair.
Yes.
1.
Paul and Ben are dancing.
2.
Jane and Lizzie aren't singing.
3.
Frank's making a film.
4.
Lizzie isn't talking on her phone.
5.
Carla's drawing a picture.
6.
Chris is playing the guitar.
7.
Chris and Maria are singing.
Track 88. A.
Feed the cat.
B.
Do the washing up.
C.
Cook dinner.
D.
Carry the shopping.
E.
Walk the dog.
F.
Clean the bath.
G.
Tidy your room.
H.
Make your bed.
Track 89. What are you doing? 1.
Thomas, can you help me carry the shopping?
Sorry, Mum. I can't. I'm in my bedroom.
Are you tidying your room?
Yes, I am.
Don't forget to make your bed.
OK.
2.
Lyra, can you help me carry the shopping?
Sorry, Mum, I can't.
Are you in your bedroom too? Are you doing your homework?
No, I'm not. I'm in the bathroom. I'm cleaning the bath.
OK. Well, don't forget to feed the cat. He's hungry.
He's always hungry. He can wait a minute.
3.
Jason, what about you? Can you help me carry the shopping?
Sorry, Maria, I can't. I'm in the kitchen.
What are you doing? Are you doing the washing up?
No, I'm not. I'm cooking the dinner. I can help you in a minute.
OK, thanks. I've got a lot of shopping. Oh, where's Esther? Is she doing her homework?
No, she isn't. She's walking the dog.
4.
Hi, Mum. What are you doing?
I'm carrying the food shopping into the house, but I can't carry the big box. Can you carry it into the house for me?
Sure. What's in it?
A new television.
Wow!
Track 90.
Are you cleaning the bath?
No, we aren't. Is she helping in the kitchen?
Yes, she is.
Track 91.
City Youth Club. A place for all young people. Are you 10 to 18 years old? Open Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Only £5 a year. Welcome to the CYC blog. Find out what's going on.
I'm Tom. There's a living room area at the club. I like sitting on the sofas and talking to friends. I've got lots of friends at the club. I'm happy here.
I'm Sam. There's a skateboard park at the club, and I love skateboarding. I haven't got a skateboard, but that's okay. The club's got skateboards for people to use.
I'm Lily. I like doing arts and crafts. We can paint pictures and make things too. Mark is a helper in the arts and crafts room. He's really nice. People talk to him about their problems.
I'm Kate. There's a coffee shop and you can buy food and drink there. I help in the coffee shop on Fridays. I'm Rose. I like rock climbing, and there's a big climbing wall at the club. You can do rock climbing on Mondays and Wednesdays.
I'm Mark. I work at the club on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm a volunteer. I don't get money for my work. I like helping people.
Track 92.
Hi, I'm Sophia. This is the Fun Zone Youth Club. It's open Monday to Friday from 5 o'clock until 9 o'clock at night. You don't pay lots of money to come in. Lots of different people are here. Let's go in. Here's the living room area. It's big. Some people like talking to friends, and some people like playing board games. There are lots of board games in the blue cupboard. Oh, here's my friend, Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hi, Sophia.
What do you like doing, Jack?
I like playing table tennis with my friend Paul.
There are 2 tables for playing table tennis in this room. There are lots of sports you can do. There's basketball on Mondays and Wednesdays, and there's football on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There are also art classes. But now, let me show you my favourite room. My favourite room is the music room. Oh, here's Lucy.
Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Lucy. Lucy's good at playing the guitar.
And Sophia's good at singing.
Thanks, Lucy. We practice here on Wednesdays. A music teacher comes and helps people with music on Wednesdays and Fridays. So that's the Fun Zone Youth Club. It's a great place.